Yeah, dude. I'll do that for you, Larry.
That'd be great if you could.
You know how the times I've laid under the fire thing? Get my elbow out. Like that. It makes full sense.
Heard a noise.
Oh, she was driving down a trail and she heard a big clunk and
What was the clunk?
The noise
Came
got
from-
clunk. The front end
There
was
was a-
making
I don't know,
noise.
a clunk came from the front end.
Yeah, front end was
A
making
huge
noise.
clunk came from the front end and we didn't know what it was.
What did it turn out to be?
Yeah.
The upper control arm bolt.
What did we do? Did we look for the bolt?
We looked for the bolt and we found it, but we couldn't use it.
Oh, part of it.
God dang it, what'd you do then?
We used a screwdriver.
Whose screwdriver? Don't. Oh, props!
And the Badger Welder. Take two.
We cut up a screwdriver
To do what?
to use as a bolt to replace the upper control arm.
All right, and then what did you do to it?
We used our Badger Welder to weld it back together.
Awesome.
Thank you, Badger Welder.
Thank you, Badger Welder.
Hand to the audience. Thanks, Badger Welder,
you,
for
Badger
saving
Welder.
the day. What?
Woo! That's hot. What is new?
Put it back in the toolbox.
Is that on fire?
What?